What's going on, y'all? So I picked up the DJI Mic Mini. This is kind of like my first unboxing, so it might be a little different than what you're used to. But I wanted to pick up the mic for when I do these videos about products or unboxings and some other social media videos. First up, right out of the box, as y'all see right there, it's a DJI bag, and one of the things that I grabbed out of it were the windscreens. In total, you get 4, and you put it on the mic. Say like if you're outside and it's a lot of wind going on, it helps out with that. Now let's get to the charging case, and ignore that I was not struggling to get that out the bag. And on the back, that's where you'll plug up the USB-C cable to charge it. And when I picked the case up, it actually seems like it has a solid build. The rest of the stuff that's in the bag is a camera audio cable that you'll plug into the transmitter to a camera. I'm using my phone, so not really going to use that yet. And the USB-C charging cable that I had mentioned earlier. Also, the instructions that I forgot to record the first time around because I was trying to get to the microphones. Back to the charging case, as y'all see right there, y'all get the 2 mics, magnets, the adapter, and the transmitter. The microphone itself is a good size, it won't be too heavy, and you may not even notice it as much. And the magnet really works, as y'all can see right there. Ignore that, no, I'm not struggling with it, but you'll be able to use this so you can attach the mic to your shirt. Here's a closer look at the transmitter. On the left side, you'll be able to control the gain, and on the right side, you see right there is where you'll be able to plug in the camera audio cable. In addition, it has buttons to turn off the transmitter and pair it just like the microphones. The last thing out of the case is the adapter. This is a USB-C, so if you're using an older iPhone, you will have to purchase the Lightning adapter. This is what you connect to the transmitter that will allow you to connect it to your phone so that you can use the mic. I did do a test using the phone mic and the DJI mic, and here they are right here. This is what the audio sounds like on the phone. How does it sound? This is what the audio sounds like on the Mic Mini. How does the audio sound? As of right now, my first impressions of the mic, it sounds good, and it definitely is an upgrade compared to my phone mic. It may not have the features of the DJI Mic 2 or 3, but it will get the job done for the content that I'm making. Plus, I'm brand new to making videos like this, so I didn't really need an expensive microphone. Speaking of price, as of right now, the DJI Mic Mini is on sale for $79 and the original price is $99. And I think there's another one where it comes with one mic and it doesn't have the charging case, but it has like a charging dock. And that one is around $45 as of right now on sale, and the original price is $59. Of course, I still need to use the mic more, but if you're a beginner creator, this may be a microphone to think about picking up. The reason I say that is because the price is pretty good and you get a good amount of stuff with it. As far as the sound goes, I think it sounds nice, but everyone has their own preference. But comment below, are you thinking about picking up the DJI Mic Mini? If not, which one are you thinking about buying? Also, comment below what other videos you would want to see on the channel and what other videos you would want to see on the microphone.